it's moving. Okay.
Just opening up this gate. We're doing a four-wheel drive track. It takes about 3 hours. Cass is just opening it up now. It's a four-wheel drive, self-drive mud map here. We're at Wooramel Station, so just going to drive on through. Apparently it takes you down onto the beach, different things. I see some dugong skeletons, and it's not really a four-wheel drive track. The lady said two-wheel drives can do it, but there is one soft spot down near the beach. But we thought, sitting around Wooramel, all the spas are full. All the spas are full. We just thought that we'd come do something, just kill a couple of hours. And we're undecided on there's a dinner as well. We're doing like pulled pork beef and sort of roast veggies and different things. And there's a happy hour that everyone that's staying at Wooramel has a drink and stuff. So we're undecided on that. We've got food in the freezer that needs eating. So I don't think it's butter chicken or something like that. But yeah, Wooramel Station four-wheel drive tour, and it actually costs $10 too. So. Per car. So yeah, we'll take you along on the trip.
Okay. Like I locked it from the outside.
Well done. Bring in your country living skills.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
myself out this time.